Hello, and thank you for joining us today for our virtual graduation. My name is Pam Van Sant, President of National Aviation Academy. I'd like to start by saying thank you to our graduates. Thank you for your flexibility and willingness to persevere while we found new ways and solutions to help you finish your education. I think we would all prefer to have this in person and under different circumstances, but it is an absolute pleasure and a privilege to be speaking before you today to congratulate you on this milestone achievement. Before I introduce our host today, I would like to say that graduation is a time of both reflection and anticipation for the next chapter in life. You may be surprised, but I actually remember my graduation. I won't tell you how long ago, but the 737 was already in service. I remember thinking what an accomplishment it was to study, do the work, pass the exams, to come this far. We may have some graduates here that feel that way today because, as some of you know, we have a very challenging program and not everyone graduates. Our programs are 2,000 and 3,000 hours of academics. That's bookwork, projects, tests in which every hour must be completed and all academics pass successfully. So be very proud of them today, just as we are proud of them. And with that, I would like to introduce our host today, our Vice President of Education, Don Johnson.
Thank you, Pam, and good afternoon, everyone. I am Don Johnson, Vice President of Education. It is my honor to host today's graduation. Finishing your education under any circumstance is an incredible achievement, but graduating through a pandemic is something altogether extraordinary. This is something you'll never forget. As you face challenges and celebrate successes in the future, remember this moment. Remember that you are capable of rising above and accomplishing your goals no matter what comes your way. I graduated from an aviation maintenance training school in 1977 and spent 39 years in the airline industry before joining National Aviation Academy. I know firsthand the hard work that our students have put in and the possibilities that come next. On behalf of us at NAA, we appreciate you being here in support of the hardworking individuals who are about to join us. At this time, I'd like to recognize our graduating classes. Congratulations to our aviation maintenance professional students who have attended NAA for 3,000 hours over 21 months. They are graduating today and are joining the aviation industry as advanced aircraft systems technicians, inspecting, maintaining, and repairing the electrical systems of aircraft, including autopilot, weather radar, GPS navigation, communication, and aircraft wiring systems. Additionally, congratulations to our aviation maintenance technology students who have attended NAA for 2,000 hours over 14 months. They will join the industry as line maintenance technicians, heavy maintenance technicians, ride mechanics, and alternate power solutions technicians. Individuals from these classes have already secured employment within industry leaders such as Westar Aviation, Draken, DynCorp, and Airborne, among others. Good luck to each of you as you transition to employment. You've worked hard to get here, and I know you'll accomplish even more out in the industry. You have proven yourselves to be valuable assets in the aviation community and are well prepared for the success that awaits you. You'll notice as our graduates appear on the screen, they have colors representing honor cords, each with a different distinction. A red cord signifies power plant certification, a white cord recognizes airframe certification, a silver cord designates the completion of the NCAT and FCC elements 1, 3, and 8. A red, white, and black cord indicates student council membership, and a red, white, and blue cord honors military service, for which I thank you. You have each accomplished a tremendous milestone. You have completed the necessary training to test for and receive your Federal Aviation Administration certifications. Well done. At this time, I would like to introduce Henry Duke to announce our graduates and their awards.
Thank you, Don. My name is Henry Duke. I'm the Education Services Assistant Manager, and it is my privilege to confer certificates on our graduates today. We'll begin with our 3,000-hour aviation maintenance professional graduates. Brennan Bender, Jarrett Blair, Travis Britt, Magna cum laude, Devin Cameron. Alexander Carrasquillo Ortiz. Andreas Chabadi. Nathaniel Cristenziani. Summa cum laude, Ian Custodi. Mr. Custodi also received a Perfect Attendance Award. Joshua Fredrickson. Magna cum laude, Ryan Gardner. Devin Hart. Magna cum laude, Dwight Henderson. Doshali Horace. Summa cum laude, Cody Horn. Elvin LeBron. Cum laude, Justin Martinez. Parker McCall. Selena Melendez. Lou Algin Mendoza. Cum laude, Dalton Nichols. Cum laude, Matthew Olson. Joseph Ruisi. Juan Sanchez. Wilbert Sanchez Ruiz. Charles Sarvis. Nicholas Schneider. Austin Seeley. Cum laude, Christian Taylor. Curtis Taylor. Brandon Zadnik. Edgar Zavala. And now our 2,000-hour aviation maintenance technician graduates. Julian Burke. Cole Coyne. Summa cum laude, Christian Gable. Mr. Gable also received an Outstanding Attendance Award. Brian Gonzalez Guzman. Magna cum laude, Nathaniel Grant. Evan Kirkpatrick. Magna cum laude, Paul Morrison. Anthony Scelfo. Mr. Scelfo also received a Perfect Attendance Award. Magna cum laude, Ivanildo Sotocromo. Mr. Sotocromo also received a Perfect Attendance Award. Reinhard Templin. Gustavo Torres Gutierrez. Our team awards are decided by a combination of the GPAs of all the eligible candidates on the team for that chosen subject. We have a power plant team and an airframe team award. Both awards go to the same team. Travis Britt, Ryan Gardner, Justin Martinez, and Christian Taylor. The Top Tech Award is voted on by the students themselves among candidates with highest GPA, attendance, and certifications received. Our Aviation Maintenance Professional Top Tech was Cody Horn. Our Aviation Maintenance Technician Top Tech is Ivanildo Sotocromo. Congratulations, everyone. Now I'd like to bring Don Johnson back to the podium to present our class valedictorian.
NAA's Tampa Bay campus has been in operation since 1969. As we celebrate over 50 years of training onward, we will be awarding a valedictorian at each graduation. It is sometimes the tradition that the valedictorian is announced ahead of the ceremony, but because of the rigor of our programs to the very end, the highest GPA was not known until the very last day of class. At this time, we'd like to recognize the students in the running for valedictorian. These students achieved the highest GPAs in the Aviation Maintenance Technology course. All of our valedictorian candidates deserve recognition for their hard work, their dedication, and perseverance. That said, one student rose above the rest, achieving the highest GPA. Today's valedictorian is Ian Custodi. We wish him great success in his career. As each student well knows, we constantly instill the importance of honesty, integrity, and human factors awareness in aviation. As you transition into the workplace, please remember that remaining focused on the job at hand is of the utmost importance. The work of an aircraft mechanic is critical, and the public relies on us every day to do right things and produce safe aircraft to travel on. Always be aware of your surroundings and follow written policies and procedures to the letter while keeping safety as your most important task. When losing focus and becoming distracted can very easily result in costly or even catastrophic outcomes. As a pledge to maintain safety and to do the right thing always, I will now recite the Mechanic's Creed. Upon my honor, I swear that I shall hold in sacred trust the rights and privileges conferred upon me as a certified mechanic, knowing full well that the safety and lives of others are dependent upon my skill and judgment. I shall never knowingly subject others to risks which I would not be willing to assume for myself or those dear to me. In discharging this trust, I pledge myself never to undertake work or approve work which I feel to be beyond the limits of my knowledge, nor shall I allow any non-certified superior to persuade me to approve aircraft or equipment as airworthy against my better judgment. Nor shall I permit my judgment to be influenced by money or other personal gain. Nor shall I pass as airworthy aircraft or equipment about which I am in doubt, either as a result of direct inspection or the uncertainty regarding the ability of others who have worked on it to accomplish their work satisfactorily. I realize the grave responsibility which is mine as a certified airman to exercise my judgment on the airworthiness of aircraft and equipment. I therefore plead unyielding adherence to these precepts for the advancement of aviation and the dignity of my vocation. We at National Aviation Academy are dedicated to our mission of preparing students for employment in the aviation industry. As graduates, today is a new beginning. Embark on this next chapter in your careers with the knowledge that you are ready to keep the skies safe. Graduates, family, friends, and staff, thank you for watching today's ceremony. I commend each graduate for your hard work throughout your studies at NAA. Please celebrate your success. You've earned it.